Okay, let's get started now, I guess. Let me set the deployment up on my device real quick, because I kind of don't have it up right now, so let me set that up. Speak. So I'm gonna be using like a little town. I'm gonna be working on a dashboard right now. I might just move into this page. I want to show you what I'm like trying to essentially like copy and stuff. So I'm gonna let me yes, let's get started now. Yes, this here. So this is what I'm essentially trying to like. I'm not trying to copy completely, but I'm using this as a reference for this. I'm trying to make it simple, not like too much of the same. So I guess we can get started with this now. I'm basically working on the routing for the backend for the code for my Roblox website. I basically got the routing to work. I don't like the way I made it work, but I'm not really too good with PHP and Laravel, so I'm just gonna like use this for now until I find a better method later in the future. But for now, I'm gonna let this work. So I'm probably gonna work on a navbar now because the navbar seems pretty. Yeah, I think I have to work on a navbar for sure because this is like a. I think I might just have a navbar and not even have this little section. Yeah, I think I'm working. I think I'm gonna do that right now actually. Okay, so it's really just working on the dashboard. I already made like the work for it. So I'm gonna work on the dashboard. Then I'm gonna do the calendar. I think I'm only gonna do the dashboard right now. The calendar, no, maybe the dashboard only, and I'm also gonna do the forms. So I'm gonna make the route for the forms right now. So A. Maybe forms with the S actually. But I don't need yeah, that's age. Partial. Forms. Save that. Just so this is if you guys probably never seen this language, this is basically a Laravel. It's a framework. It's a full stack framework, but I'm using it for my backend for my Roblox website. So slash form. So I can honestly change this route to slash. I might just do. Yeah, I'm gonna do slash forms. Just keep it simple, honestly. I won't think too much about it right now. Just try to get it working right now. Then I'm gonna set the page variable. So forms. And there it goes. So I go back here. I think I did it forms. Yep, forms. It's gonna do partial.forms. And then I almost forgot to set the name as well. So I'm pretty sure I did forms for the name. So, if I was to go back here, let's just check this now. Can y'all hear me or? Trying to make sure my mic is working good. So I might turn myself up a little bit more just to make sure. So let's just do that. I hope that is not too loud for you guys. Just let me know. Too loud. Oh, I can hear you. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. That's what I like to hear. So how you been? I never seen you before. What's your name? Like, what do you like Roblox? Like, what are you into? Like, just you can conversate with me if you want. I'm a cool person. You know what I'm saying? I just like to code a lot, so I'm kind of nerdy. Yeah, yeah. Like, what do you like to do? I know what I'm gonna do. So I can see the chat. I'm gonna do some like dots, chats, and right. Testing. There we go. Let me go back. I cannot make. Let me go back to this. Okay, so did it route me to forms correctly? Yep, forms. Yeah, we're gonna work on a dashboard first. So actually, I'm working on a nav bar now. So I didn't mean to do that actually. If you also make components. I forgot. I literally keep forgetting this command. I hope I have it somewhere up here. So yeah, make component. I'm gonna make this the nav bar layout. Not even layout, just a nav bar. So when a nav bar is officially made inside of a component, I can just to make sure it works. I think it's class. I'm sorry, it's class. I'm fairly new to Laravel, so bear with me. Not really the best Laravel, so. So we have nav layout. So I'm gonna call it nav bar. I'm just gonna put like h1 tag and just make it red. So just see how it looks like. Let's see if it works. So once I have that, so class now, I'm gonna go back to my dashboard, and inside it's gonna be within this div. It's gonna be class here. I'm gonna have X nav bar. Yeah. Actually, and hopefully that works now. Yeah, it does work. That's perfect. So I guess I'm gonna work on nav bar. Try to get something like try to get this type of feel right now. So I'm not gonna try to work too much on this. Let's get rid of like the unnecessary stuff. Actually, I'm gonna put that back. Now. I can remove this. I need this one. I don't need sidebar right now. We're working on it later. Dashboard. I don't really need that right now, but I'll just keep it because. So now that I have this layout, I guess I'm gonna do like I'm gonna make a div, and within this div, I'm gonna have a class. I'm gonna make this like the width 100%, and the height is gonna be like 200 pixels, and then that's gonna be like the layout for it. And if you ever want to test it out, you can just like put a background to it, and oh, let me put like a word, like put a word inside there too. So then it's probably gonna load after. See how it looks like. Okay, the height is where I want, but the width is not what I want. So the width gonna be depending on what. Okay, I think I know the height. So I can make the width 100%. Well, I could have just made the width the screen, but I just like making like the parent of things right thing. Hopefully this fixes it. If not, I can just yep, that fixes it. So I think that's too big for the nav bar. So instead, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like just change this like 1. This looks like it's really. It looks like it's 50. It looks like it's like 50. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty small. I think that's like the. I think it's like. Okay, I'm gonna say 70 and just start with that. Say 70. That'll be like the final one. I think that's good. What's that? Have a line right here. No, last time. I'm gonna do 65, and I'm gonna start on it. So I should have. I'm trying to think how to format this right now. So like a light search bar. So I need delayed icons, delayed by icon. all I need is to get I just need to get me these icons just to get this little search bar thing. So this is gonna be white, but the background here is like a gray. It's like a light gray. It's like gray one. So now that I notice, I'm gonna do like background gray 200. I wish it would update faster, like React the front end, but it's just unfortunate. That doesn't really matter. That. Yeah, that's way better. I like that, and I can just keep this white. I think it comes default white, but I'm just gonna keep it regardless. So let me check if it's still downloading that little bar. So what I need to do is I need to have a div, and it's like it's separated. Like this is like one whole div that has a search bar, that has this. Okay, so I see it. I'm gonna make one full. I think I should do something like. No, I think I shouldn't do that. I can do something like this actually. Nope, I'm gonna do it the way I want. I like to be safe with my classes. I have flex, and then within this flex, I'm gonna have. Yeah, I think that's based like Facebook. I might want to make the padding 5 or a little bit bigger because I don't like the way it's not. I don't like the way it's pushing. Like I'll show you. I'll just do it right now. So not for the navbar though, but for these elements. Like what does it say? Like dashboard, so I can do class name, like padding 5. So it's like this is about to be done now. If I see the command, done. Now I can open the search bar. Yep. So I can have elements. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna make this. So I can have this have its own little flex, have it in a box, and then just divides these two up. I can have always open up Tailwind CSS. I use Tailwind CSS for like damn it everything. So now I have Tailwind up. Basically, I can do something like what do I need here? I need justify. It justify content right there. So it's between. I'm gonna need between. So I can do flex, I can do justify, justify between, I can do items, center, I can make a div, I can make another, this 2, this 1, just scanning the file real quick. There should be 1 right here, and the 2 should be all the way right here. Yeah, the 2's all the way right here now. And just to make it look nicer, I can go here. I can set the overall padding to 3. So now that we have that, we can start working on like how it's gonna look like. I did item center, so it should be center. Okay, I'm gonna do padding 5. Padding 5 are always work. I love Tailwind with the built-in padding. Okay, so that looks like it's in the center now, padding 5. So now that we have that, what I can do is I can make the things now. So looking at here, they have icons over here. So I'm gonna work on this little thing first, little search bar. So it's like a little text box, but it has this at the beginning. So I'm trying to think about how I can make that actually. Okay, I have an idea. So instead I can do something like inside a div I can have the bar. I can have inputs as a type is gonna be text. Placeholder is gonna be search. I'm gonna do search. Now what's for the class first? Because the class is more fun. Class, I'm gonna make it so make the background gray 100. I'm gonna make it rounded. maybe like extra large, yeah, 'cause I think it's pretty rounded on the actual thing. So then, oh, also forgot, I need to make this right center height. So then it has search dot, so I can do that. So, capital. Starting with 5. So I can see it coming now. I think the gray needs to be a little bit more. Maybe a little bit more like. How can I say this? Like, I think. Wait? Do I need more of this? I wish we would stop going back. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I gotta increase the width a little bit. So I can make the width like I say 20 pixels. I don't know how big that is, but I'm just gonna make a guess. I could probably increase the padding on the left side. Then once I do that, you can tell I'm not really the best at CSS, but I'm definitely at least a decent developer with CSS. I can do my workaround. So it looks like the height being, oh sorry, the height, I put the width actually. So the height is 20 pixels, you have the search bar, and then the color of this is gray. Make the width 50 pixels. I could just honestly inspect that and just use it here, but I just want to try myself. I think does it work with text or is that actually? I think it's a text. So text gray 100. It kind of is the same as the inner text. So like this is gray. This is a really light gray. Maybe you can say the same as that. Really basically look the same. Actually, they don't look the same. I know why. It's because they're rounded. If I do 2 extra large, it's probably gonna. I don't even think they have 2 extra large on the tail with CSS. Is it what's the website I'm at? I didn't see it. Oh, so basically the website's gonna be about. It's gonna be like a website for Roblox. So I basically like make videos on my channel, and basically I want to like make it easier for people to download videos, so they can like just go into my website and just like download the Roblox content that I make. I'm also gonna have courses, so if people want to actually like if they want to like know how the video was made, like if they want to know like the content in the video, like if I made a dashing system and you want to know how to make your own dashing system for my video, I'm gonna show you like an in-depth guide of how I made my video, like step by step, so you can make your own. So I'm gonna have like little courses in my website, so you can like learn how to make your own stuff. It's really supposed to encourage people to become developers in Roblox because I have a lot of development myself, so I want to help people out. Yeah, it's actually gonna download like the Roblox place for you. So you can just hit the download button and you're gonna have the whole Roblox place with the animation and everything. And it's gonna be a little video under the download. It's gonna be a little video to show you how you can download it. Like if there's any like how to get the animations, like if you ever like if you like it's gonna basically solve every error. So people don't come to me and be like, hey, this is not working. Hey, why is not working? So it's basically gonna solve everybody's problem because I know that I've been seeing that a lot recently, but that's kind of my goal to try to help them like navigate around that. I've worked on this website for around 2 weeks, so I definitely have way more progress. This is just the back end right now. I'm trying to get this is like the admin page, so what I'm basically gonna be seeing. So I'm just trying to like right now, get this done as fast as I can. 'Cause I really do want to I really do want to get this website out as fast as possible. I don't even know where this thing is. So it's. So I guess I can do trans. That's. Oh damn! Oh damn! W website. Oh, appreciate you. Appreciate you. Always try my best to help people out. You feel me? I think 10 is good. I think 10 is good too. 10 is good too. I guess so. Oh yeah, 10 is. I think 5 or something. 600. That should give you the same. I can since it's a whole entire div, I can like I don't want to gap those two. Oh, I can make another div inside of. Oh, that doesn't work yet. Actually, I just realized. I can make these inside the div. Put these into it. And I can make another div divider. I can have wait, it doesn't really need much though. It says with a lot of okay, so perfectly. Basically, that's basically my goal. I want to basically help you with that. So I haven't been really too active with my channel. I'm gonna try to collab with other YouTubers because at the time I was gonna collab with a pretty upcoming YouTuber right now. His name is like Duke Studios. He's doing really well right now. I was gonna collab with him in the like past, but I kind of was too busy. I had like no time to myself to even like make videos on YouTube. But now since I'm like I have a more balanced schedule, I'm definitely trying like to get to that point where I'm helping people, I want to collab with other YouTubers so I can build my own channel and their channel as well. Because I do have a decent audience and their audience can reach out to mine. Yeah, if you look up, yeah, it's like Duke Studios. Yeah, he like makes like a lot of like combat systems and stuff like that, like a lot of like animation stuff, like not animation stuff, but like real nice effects. If you look it up right now, he has a pretty nice following. He makes a lot of like combat systems, block systems, like he sells a lot of stuff too. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to get to that audience. 'Cause at first I was ahead of him, but now he's ahead of me now. So I wanna, I basically want to be back in the competition because I love competition. So I'm trying to get back in there. So let me just do padding 10. Why is it down here? Oh, I'm just padding. Oh snap, that's. Oh, I know why. That's. Um, if I do this again, I can beg a minute. Yeah, that does fix it. So this seems a little bit shorter. So I'm gonna do margin towards the margin top. Up one. So let's see how that should be like right here. Hope I didn't go too far. Yeah, that's pretty decent. I might go back one. I might go back one and go up a few more. Yeah, kind of have to. So maybe go up some more and go back one. Yeah. He said, I think you should do advanced system. It will work. Help me. So okay, so since you're like I would assume like you're a part of my audience and you probably watch like a lot of Roblox videos and stuff like that. What kind of videos do you think gets people attention? Because I can basically make anything on Roblox, but I just don't know what to make. Like I can literally make anything. Like I see like people like I don't play Roblox. I'm really like a coder now. Like I don't play Roblox no more. All I do is code in Roblox. So I want to know what people are actually playing now because I don't play the game. I'm 20 years old only. I'm pretty young to be honest. So I want to know what people are playing in Roblox so I can recreate them. So like, can you give me like 3 to 4 things that you think is gonna be a good like video for people, like a good video so I can get done for people? Because I also have a team that can work on well, I have a partner that can help me work on the video so we can get it done as soon as possible. So what things do you think that I could like make for my YouTube channel that can get people's attention, but also help people learn at the same time? Because I really care about people actually learning. Because I can make anything now, but like at the same time, I also want to help people at the same time. So Oh, I don't like that. Let me make that 3 instead. Okay, it did shift up. That's perfect. That's okay. I think that looks pretty mimical. Pretty mimical. I can't say that word. Whatever. Can I don't know how to change the placeholder's font size. Oh, just do placeholder. Okay, that's easy. Okay. I can do placeholder text. Uh, media. The mostly. I was already up. Okay, yeah, I knew you were gonna say combat system because I feel like a lot of people just like they just love combat systems like crazy. I don't know I don't know what it is about combat systems, but everybody just loves combat systems. I'm like, dang, like people don't want to. People not tired of that, like, cause I'm tired of combat systems. Like I'm tired of making combat systems. I want to make something new. I'm currently making a blocking system and a parry system for my next video. I don't know what else to make right now. It's like a lot of people already made it, so I'm kind of trying to figure out what to make. Yeah, I actually did add that to my website already. It's because I'm on the back end right now, so I can actually pull that up right now. I kind of have to add data into it right now because it's no data, but essentially this is gonna be like a little homepage for the website. Master Roblox scripting with us. Go into here. It's gonna be like recommended videos. It's gonna be like recently requested. So right here is gonna be like all recently requested videos that people want on the channel. It's loading for a long time because it's trying to find a data, but there's currently no data right now because I emptied the whole database. But then when you click on this, it's gonna show like all like the requests that people have asked, so I can like easily go through this, and other people can go through this as well and be like, oh, that'll be cool, and people can like it and they can dislike it. They'll be like, oh, I want this more, and etc. And again, there's nothing here right now because like there's no data inside of it right now because there's no players. But I can make data right now and show you. So and it's also gonna be like learn Lua U. So I'm gonna have certain courses throughout all my videos so you can learn what I did in the video and how you can like learn the actual stuff from the video. So you have the courses here, and then we also have I think I have to log in too. Let's log in real quick. Is this? I think this should be my database. Let me check my database real. I could just make a new account, but I just want to log into my. I think I made predefined data, so it should be working already. Otherwise, not. He says, "Nah, you're cooking." Yeah, I've been really, I really want to, I really want to help people out right now. So, see, I have admin. Yeah, this is too good. Unless I forgot the password, that'd be crazy. Incorrect email or password. Okay, I guess I'm making an account real quick. I'll probably just come back to that. So I can do enter username. I'm just gonna call it tester. I'll show you a little example too. I'll call like tester2 at gmail.com. I'll call it tester at gmail.com. I'm probably gonna remove this feature so people can't make fake accounts. They would have to use a Discord account or a Google account. So I'm gonna make like 1 2 3 4 5 6 for the password. Doesn't really matter. Um, so it's tester2. Let me do tester. Oh, I made a username, something like this. I'm gonna call it tester. Tester friend. No, I'm gonna do tester. I don't know. So then when I sign up here, this is weird. My sign button is not working. Oh, okay. I'm about to say. I'm like, why is it not? Oh, it was saying a while ago it's a database. I'm like, what's going on? Maybe I'm probably gonna add a loading button too, just because of that now, because that's kind of yeah. That's probably why I'm getting stuff like this now. So I'm probably gonna add like a little loading screen to show that it's actually signing you up. Let me log in now. So it's like this tester2 at gmail.com. Yep. So now I'm logged in. So once I'm logged in, essentially, yeah, nobody really is on air combat. So that's basically, I'm basically, I already did air combat, but I can definitely improve on it for sure. Um, so if I go to library, I'm basically gonna have the courses here as well. So when you go to learn Lua U, you can basically like add the course. Like when you hit free, you can basically add the course into your library. So that's gonna be inside of here. So you can essentially search for courses and like go through the entire course. So if you ever used Udemy before, it's basically gonna be like Udemy kind of ish, but in Roblox terms. So I'm gonna share the forms. So if you like want to like request a video, let's say you want a air combat system, an air combat system, and you want like to be 10 minutes long, you don't have no reference link, you want to make it a YouTube. Like if you want a personal video, if you want something personal for yourself, let's say you want to make a game, you can just do personal, or if you want it for the Discord, like just for the people not inside of Discord, you can do Discord. But let's say you want it for YouTube, and let's say I want like a advanced system, and I can do like I want a combat system where it has 5 M1s, and the last one puts them in the LOL. Thanks. So something like that, something simple. And then once you hit save, did I even hit save? Once you hit save, I'm probably gonna also add another loading screen because I'm not even sure. Okay, so boom, your form is created. You can now go to the home page of your website. So now once you do that, so I created 2 forms because I saved it twice by accident. I'm gonna definitely fix that. It's just like the small bug I gotta fix for now. So I'm glad I'm seeing them now. So if I go to the home page now, if it's gonna like load up on these 2 right now. So it's gonna be like our recent request is gonna have 2 little things. Yep. So I basically have 2 of these now. I have tester. I want a combat system where it has 5 M1s and the last one puts them in the air. Law thanks. And I said I want a combat system where it has 5 M1s. It's basically the same thing twice. And if I was to go to like the inside of here recently requested, I go here. Wait for the basic fetch the data. It's basically gonna pop up here. So all the cars that were ever made or any request that's ever made is gonna come up on here. So when you like, if you have a system that you want to be done in Roblox, you can just come here and be like, oh yeah, my name is Tester, and he wants an air combat system, and this is the description he wants. I want a combat system where I want 5 M1s, and it puts the last one in the air. Law thanks, and it's gonna be, and they want it to be advanced too. So you can also tell me, you can also tell other people that you want to advance this system. You want a simple system. Like for example, if I go back to the forums and I did air combat again, I want an air combat system. Well, let's say I want a gun system, and I want to be 10-15 minutes. And this data right here is all being used for myself, so I know what type of video that you guys want. Let's say I want a YouTube video and I want like a intermediate. I want a part to shoot out boot or something of that sort, and when it does come out, I want it to explode, and this has to be very nice. Thank you. So when you do that, you hit save. I'm gonna also add a loading screen just so nobody can like hit nothing while it's loading, so you can't do multiple times. I'm also gonna probably have like 2 forms a day so people can't like rush it. So like once the form is created, just go back to home, go to recent requested, and now the form's gonna be here. Every form that you make is gonna go on the home page, and you have a decent chance of it being on the home page because it's randomized. It's always randomized every single time you go to the home page. You said the link thing is like, yeah, so the link thing is like linked to the YouTube video. So yes, now we see here we have a tester, the username, and we have I want a part that shoots out poop, something like that. So basically gets all the information they want. It's gonna be intermediate. So basically the color's supposed to be different. I'm probably gonna fix this so like the advanced is gonna have purple down here and then intermediate is gonna have orange. I fixed it before, but I don't know why it's not working now, but I'll fix that for sure. So basically, like that's how it's supposed to look like for now. So like air combat system, gun system, etc. So in my opinion, I think that's pretty nice right now. I'm probably gonna change it a little bit. So instead of it, so this is the home page. So I need to get the cards. I forgot what this name was called. This is the request. the request page, and then inside the request page, it's gonna be the actual request name, and I'm gonna do underline, and I have semi-bold. So if I refresh this page real quick, it's gonna be underline. I even need to refresh the page. I just seen the moment I can get that to the page. That's perfect. Yep. So that's basically how I'm gonna basically have it done. Gun system, air combat system, air combat system. I'm probably gonna make sure you can't add duplicates, but I'll make so you can do it 2 times a day, so it's not gonna really hurt at all to hurt. It's not gonna hurt at all to add as much as you want. So yeah, you can also search through it as well. Like gun system. If you ever find something that's really cool that you want to remember, you can just search all the time because it might be a lot of data. So that's basically like the front end for now. And yeah, and these links do take you to the video as well. Um, so basically, this is like not accurate at all. I was trying to make a subscription page too, so I'm not. This is not gonna. I'm not gonna have no like paid anything anytime soon because I want people to actually learn without trying to pay. Like I feel like that's kind of bullshit to actually pay like stuff on Roblox and like I feel like learning should be free to some extent. But I'm also gonna have like some subscriptions so people can like learn like the really cool stuff. Like all the free content is gonna be pretty. It's gonna be the paid stuff that I want to do. But I'm gonna put it out for free to see how people like it. For like if the website goes crazy, then I might think about like trying like to put some money for myself aside so I can use that money to build my channel some more. So that's basically what I got right now. And the downloads here. So basically, if you want to like to download a video, you're gonna have like the title, like what it's gonna be, like how to get any animation. It's gonna be like a little picture. You hit the download button. It's gonna download. It's gonna go into your downloads folder inside of Google or whatever browser you're using, and then you'll be able to basically like have the Roblox RBLX. I think that's what the name is. I forgot what it's called, and you'll be able to download it. So it's pretty simple, and you can also search through it as well. Guys, like you can do animation, uh combat system. Like it's super easy, super quick. I'm probably gonna make it more like I'm probably gonna add like a weight on it because if it's a lot of people, I can assume so. It's probably gonna be a little bit slower, so I gotta like make it pretty fast. If you made the wait to go, I'm not gonna lie. I think it's gonna be out by next week or this week. That's my because I'm kind of working pretty fast with the code. I'm like I never made a website before. I mean, I made a website before, but it wasn't as good as this one. So this is my first real website. So I'm really like learning as I'm making it. So I want to see how it turns out when I do deploy it. So at the same time, I definitely can improve on this website in the future. But for now, I think that if I was to post this to like my chat to my actual like page, I think it would be pretty good because of the fact that you know that not a lot of people have a website for their YouTube channel. So I'm actually gonna try to put this as fast as I can. So I want people to actually be able to like download my videos, look around my website, do what they want to do. And I also need to work on this profile thing too. Like this profile thing actually sucks. Like I need to work on this real bad. Yeah, I think that's the biggest one. Why haven't I done? Oh, let me know what you need, and I will. I promise you, I'm gonna put it out. Like I just let me know if you want it to be advanced, if you want to be simple. Like just let me know how you want me to make it done for you, and I can get it done. So I think that showed. Yeah, so I think I showed it. I still didn't get these done yet. Only all courses were kind of. Yeah, but I think it's pretty nice right now. Just in your site or right now. So I can if you want me to make a video on it for you, I can get it done by this weekend. Depending on how difficult the task is. But if you want me to make a video for you, just let me know. 'Cause I'm always looking for videos to make, so I'm kind of running out of ideas because I've been making so much stuff. So I just need some encouragement, man. Let me log out real quick. I think it's advanced. Okay, so what do you need? I'm gonna. Oh yeah, my laptop is burning because I really want. No one has made it. Oh yeah, then let me know because if no one made it and you really want it, then that means it can be. And that means other people might really want it, but it was never done before. So just let me know what you want me to make for you, and I get it done. Oh, not me to navigate to my channel. I definitely have a better idea to instead of getting all the. Yeah, that's gonna be. Ooh, that's gonna be easy. I know exactly how to. That issue. So I'm going here. Even if you're logged out, you can still see a data that was already made. So I'm currently not logged in right now. It says making an account today. You can still see the data that was made from tester. It's all they want. All this. So I'm definitely gonna add like loading. And then so you want I can this if you can you text me in my YouTube general. I just said a hey there, so you can see that was my message just now. Um, and you can just like send me the video to my DMs if you want, and then I can just help you out with that for sure. I don't even know if that's something. I think oh snap. Oh hey. Oh, this is you. Okay. Yeah, so you can he says comment for any scripting problem. I'm not gonna lie, I've never seen something like this before, so I'm just do this too. I love interacting with the community, man. Now let me go back and start coding because this is kind of insane. Oh, yeah, and also Striker's my partner as well. If you can't tell, so we both basically like put our both our efforts to the channel. Striker is a really great coder. Like, cause I basically learned from him when I was like learning Roblox and developing myself. So you can say he's basically my mentor to some extent. But like now, I feel like I'm doing pretty good now on my own. So I definitely say I definitely learned from him. So if you need a video done, like let me know what you like are referring to, so I can like try to work with Strike so we can work on it together. Because I'm gonna try to get this episode done as fast as I can. Because just you saying that you are enjoying the video makes me want to get the website done as fast as I can. Because like if one person enjoys it, then I can expect other people to also enjoy it. So that's basically gonna be good. Also, after let me see. I can't really see that because the little icon right here. Let me expand. Can I expand this? I can. Okay, yeah, okay. I'll send it after when you're free because I really see this website. Okay, you can just send it to the chat. If you send it to the chat right now, I can just let my partner Striker know so you can start working on it for you right now. So that's perfect. You know what I'm saying? So just get it right into it. So basically this is gonna be like this is the admin board. So this is only where me and Striker are gonna be looking at because we're basically like the admins for like the whole entire channel. So I'm probably gonna also pull up my channel. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna pull up my channel real quick, and I'm just gonna just let everybody know. Roblox. All right. So I don't need this right here. Okay, so now I can essentially like let's get right back into development. So yeah, I'm gonna try to go fast with development because I really want to not I'm not gonna lie, you kind of gave me the motivation that I need to get the website done. So I really appreciate you, bro. Like I really do appreciate you. Like that really I needed that real I need that real bad, man. Like I'm ready. I'm about to get started. I needed that. Yes, sir. I need that little motivation. Get me going. I don't need this open right now. I can just close this for now. I appreciate you. No, I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you the most, bro. Come on. Definitely all you. I was definitely not that motivated to do my website, but now I'm definitely I just got all that energy back inside of me. So Let me try to get this nav bar done. I want to get this done as soon as possible. Why is it? I think it's a little bit too. I think is it perfectly in the middle? I don't know. I might do 4 actually. Do padding 4 instead of that. So padding 4. So I'm okay. So I'm just gonna try to go faster this. Mega. I like to use shad scene as well. Typo. And let me get something like this. I like this. Format this document to the class name. That's what it. So yeah, padding 4 is way better. I can see it. It feels more leveled. Uh, I might just do it my own way. I'm not gonna lie. Might just make this medium. I can make the text gray 400. That should make it smaller. Make some matting. You said I'm always here. Wait, I'm always here for people. So, already, bruh. Already, bruh. My boy. You don't even understand, bruh. Like, I'm saying you helped me a lot, bruh, but you really just gave me what I needed to basically get this website done. Because I'm not gonna lie. I was motivated, but I wasn't really that motivated because I've been working on it for so long. And I was like, damn, it's gonna take forever to get done. Now I just feel like I can really get it done now. Like, and just let me know when you send what you want for your video done, cause then I can basically get that done. You said you want something done for your video, so well for your game, sorry. Just let me know and I can help you with that. I mean, that probably is my work. I hope it's not really bad. It is because of that actually. I think it should be voting now. Yeah, I don't think that drop down is gonna be used up for now. Unfortunately, it's fine though. I don't know why the drop down's not gonna work. It's fine. It's fine though. I'll just and then I'm gonna create So this is a div. If that's gonna work, if that's not gonna work, I'm gonna keep it there regardless. I'm gonna fix that later. So I want to make the gap between this div alone. Make this gap 2, so it shouldn't be too much. And then I'm gonna set the margin top -2 pixels, so moves apart, comes up a little bit. I wish I could have that little a drop down menu. I don't know why it's not. I don't know why I didn't install. So it looks more leveled. I split the gap off. I need to make it smaller, and I don't want it to be bold at all. No bold. Make this so medium, make it small. Yep, that's small. Mega menu, that's cool. I'm probably gonna make more so 3. Okay, let me work on this side now. I need these icons. I'm probably not gonna really work on the icons too much, but instead I'm probably gonna work inside the actual page. You said I can't send the video. Could it be in front? Oh yeah, you can just DM me. Just DM me for the video, and I can just like get it. Let me actually let me move to over here. Okay, now my chat is pulled up. Okay, that's perfect. Like, why can't I see my chat anywhere? Okay, there we go. So on this side, I'm probably gonna have some. I don't know if icons are not working inside of here. Then I'm kind of cautious about how I'm gonna like get these icons. Maybe I just try to install it again, see what happens. Yeah, that's kind of weird how I get I can't use the icon within the actual component, which is kind of. I guess I'm gonna figure out a way to fix that. I don't know why it's not working now, so. That's my OBS going away. Oh, you said go check Lily, stay focused. All right, I got you. I'm definitely gonna stay focused. You feel me? Definitely gonna stay committed and focused. So you already know what's up. Oh yeah, let's do this. Let me lock in for real now. Okay, now I think this is cool, and I'm gonna actually work on the dash. So the first dashboard, it's a default blade. I'm gonna essentially erase all this dashboard. Sorry, H1. Instead of me doing H1, I'm gonna use Shatins. I love the way they do stuff. Dashboard, change class. But yeah, you can still send it to me, bro. Like if you want to send it to me now, and then when I'm done the entire thing, I don't want you to forget and be like, oh yeah, forgot to send it to me. You can just send it to me now, and I'll just remember. Oh, that's hard. I can play extension. I swear I never get that extension. That's way too. This semi bold, it's extra bold. Okay, that's extra bold. He says, he said, I don't know what to ask. He says we have a line. We have a line. I'm done. I'm not gonna lie. It is pretty. It's pretty. It's kind of hard. I'm not gonna lie. But at the end of the day, it is like, it is pretty fun because I don't know. Like I just find it fun learning. So it just like I just want to learn more. So it's kind of easy for me to remember stuff like that. So I have a dashboard. So now looking at this, they have three. It looks like this is made up in grids. I'm not really too I'm not really too I don't know too much about grids, so I'm just gonna use flex. It's gonna be like a layout for one. I can make a loop for this. Yeah, I can probably. No, I don't think a loop is unnecessary to be honest. So no, I don't know. I'm trying to think about how I'm gonna make this. I'm trying to think about it in the best way. I like to think about stuff before I even make it. So probably have a div up here that takes a certain. So I'm okay. So this whole page is different. This is a one div here. This one div here. So this div is gonna be around 70. I think like 65% of the page. and it like has like the element inside of it, so I can do something like so I can do div class make the width 60%. Change the background color to red so I can see what I'm working with. The height can be set here. That should give me the yeah, that's like 60% of the page. I don't know why it's 100% is a lot though. So how much percent do I need? 50? That change? I think it's because since this is yeah, I don't want no scroll. I don't want this to be scrollable. I want it to be stationary the whole time. So in order for me to make it stationary, I'm probably going to like 80% because I think 20% of the page is already being used. So that's gonna be 80% of 80%. It should be 100% still down here. The main one should only be 80%. Yeah, that's way better. Okay, so 90 is what I need. 90%. That hopefully that doesn't take me like it doesn't give me a scroll bar back. So that'd be great if that's get 90%. Oh nope, it's gonna need. I would say 80. Get 83%. Let's see how we looking. Okay, that's cool. Now I'm gonna create the other div. So it seems like there's like another div on this side for the other thing. And these already have padding, so I might make it two. If I do two, it might alter. It might put the bar back in the page. No, we're fine. That's perfect. If I do margin two, then I might want to. I think I might add it back actually. I don't want that. Keeping it simple, keeping it cool. So it should have some more space down here. Pull down, come in, move. After it's done loading. Okay, I like that. Maybe it needs more of the yeah, I think it needs more of it than its width. So its width needs to be like 75%. The width would be like right here. That's a little bit too much too. Honestly, yeah, that's a little bit too much. I mean, 70's fine. I can make another div. I can set a class. Oops, class. I can make the width 30%. Whatever that div is. The height 100% again. Background green this time. So then it should be like right here. It might be like right next to it. Oh, that's already a problem. Is this a flex? Is this flex? Check. It's not flex at all. So that's probably make it a flex. There's no margin on it, so it should perfectly go on that side. So now it just flips. Okay, that's okay. I see why. I see why. So this, if I do column, okay, then if I do column and I do this, and I do flex. Then I can just remove this here. I can just set the gap at 2 up here. So I'm gonna have a gap that, then I can have another div inside of here. And then it should work. But and I gotta change the parent's width again. Set the height again to 80. I shouldn't even change the height. Actually, I have an even better idea. I just thought about it when I was come back real quick. Oh, yeah, take your time, take your time. Welcome back, welcome back. Let's see, how is this gonna look like? Let me save this one. So that means, okay, that's kind of this dude, the flex. I have just copy. Okay, then that puts it to work. I really don't need a gap. I can just make the. I know what's in. Oh. So this is gonna be the. It's gonna be the dashboard. I'm gonna put dashboard here because will you make a video to showcase script? What script are you talking about? Like what kind of script? Or just like scripts in general? Or are you talking about on the website? Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of showcase on the website too. So basically, it's gonna be everything that YouTube isn't. Like, it's just gonna have like a lot more stuff. And take your sweet time to do all that, man. A3. I can make the width. I'm gonna say 30%. Because 33% is gonna be 33. No, because the padding is 2. So it can be 33 because 33 is 99.999%. So I'm gonna need 30% because the padding is 2, so it's gonna subtract 2, so I need 31. Okay. I know I just said a lot of gibberish. I talk to myself to try to understand what I'm doing. No, there's nothing wrong doing that. It's perfect. But it definitely helps me out though, I'm not gonna lie. Background white. I can make the height 150 pixels. Then that should I'll make threes too. Should be like 1, 2. And I have to make the I knew that was gonna happen. Make a little gap in between them to make them nicer. Instead of me making a gap, I can do justify. Um, oh, sorry, evenly. That should make them look nice. But yeah, don't forget to send me what you want me to do for you, because I can definitely get that done. 5 is just a number. I don't really need that background color. I'm probably gonna keep it just for layout purposes. I'm probably gonna make a loop for this instead. I'm just doing it like this for now, just for testing purposes. So, I mean, it doesn't really matter how it looks like anyway. This is for like the admin. You guys are not gonna see this, so it's mainly what Striker really wants. If Striker, if you're in here, let me know what you want me to add for the dashboard. How's that? Make it black. And then after doing all that, what else? Need to get like the icons here. We actually, I need to figure out what type of API this is. Cause making all this is gonna, whew, that's gonna pass through. Let's get a pre-made one. So, oh, no wonder it didn't work for all of them. There we go. And then I could probably just work on like the inside of the box later. Also work on the layout of how this is gonna be done. This has to be 100% actually. So we can go all the way down. I just realized it's kind of up. Yeah. So having that, I can now, let me do A-level charts. Try to see what kind of chart I can add into the website to make it look nice. Nobody heard that voice. I just want to see a sample chart so I can work off that. I work off looking at exam. I'm probably gonna read this later. I'll probably come back to this part for this. Let me focus on just this. Oh, the dashboard's gonna be a pain, man. Huge pain in that ass. My gosh. Okay. I'm gonna need this too. I guess I can. Yeah, I know what I can. Because this has to be flex column. Adding 5. Flex as well. Flex and flex column. I want the width to be like, how big is that? I'll make the width 100%, 80% of the parent's width. I'm gonna make the height like this is scrollable, right? This part's scrollable, but this part's not. That means I need to make this. I need to make it sticky. Okay. So I need to make this like 40% background color. I want to make pink. Hope I can see that. Should be like a little box right here. Yeah, that's the box I essentially want. Sorry, make the width 100%. I need the padding. Increase the 60. I guess instead of pink, I can use like blue because that pink is not looking. Now after I made the blue, what else can I add? I need to make a rounded. around it, then I need to. Oh, it's gonna be in the middle. If it's yeah, that's basically what I want. It's gonna be in the middle. That's essentially what I want. Yeah. I need to go to my sidebar. I hope I don't get no errors. I never use components in Laravel like this, so we'll be adding another thing to the class and kind of mess it up. Okay, doesn't mess up. So let me go into Tailwind. So it has to be sticky to something. Okay. Okay. It's gonna do sticky. I don't know how it's gonna affect it. But we keep it there for now. Hopefully nothing happens. Nothing happens. Hope. So then once I have all that, what else can I feel like this is gonna be a pretty nice dashboard. I can see right. I can remove the color. I don't need the layout colors no more. I don't know. Actually, I'm gonna keep it there for now. This is fine. I'm probably gonna work. I'm gonna work on a loading screen for the front end page now. Now that I know that it's a problem, then I gotta. And if I pass data, can I? Can I actually do that? That's the. Oh, that's actually pretty hard. I can just pass a table of data that. Okay. Or Laravel actually is probably better than that. Yeah, for each user, you. Yeah, Laravel is actually smart. I like that. I can use liveware to actually make better stuff. That's cool. I'm gonna take that into consideration, but for now that I know it like this, I'm gonna make it easier. Wow, needless to brag. It's on the load. Okay, I guess I do need. Maybe I only should. Oh, okay, yeah, it's two. It's two. I expect. All right, let me just finish like some number of sales. I'm not even number of sales. I'm gonna have the total number of so number of and instead of here I'm gonna have number number of downloads so I can check the downloads that's needed. I can also have number of those are the more important thing here. So the course, yeah, courses. Have courses here. Yeah, I can just make this all. Text size to. I didn't even change the text at all, so I text extra large. Not extra large, keep it small. So I'm gonna keep it medium and change it to like a dark grayish. So text gray or neutral. I think zinc actually. Or, and add semi-bold. I guess I'll just do it to one and then I'll just go for the others, I guess. Small actually. I have a display number. Guess we'll do the red for now. And then within the div, have this. Let me put this into a span. It's gonna make it better. I can have like. Now the background's purple. Huh. Yeah, I don't like the fact that the div has the elements for the actual span. Oh, bad idea. That's correct. Everything text related is going to be handled inside the span. About that. Last. So nothing should change. It should all be the same still. Yep. So then for a number of users, I'm gonna have a play number. Yeah, play number's fine. So I can have. Yeah, I like to keep my stuff organized. So 452. I like to keep stuff like even just keep inside like a span. Because if I just like put a number inside, it's gonna be the div, and I don't want no problem. So I keep everything within an element. I can just put a p tag, but I like span better to be honest. Span's like my best friend. So now this is why this is exactly why I'm glad I didn't make this a div. Because now I have to make it flex. Okay. And how big should the number should be pretty big. Okay. Class equals, make the text extra large. Make the, what color? I think extra large is in G. What else could I change about it? No, I don't like fonts, honestly. All the predefined fonts kind of suck. Actually, I'll keep that actually. Bottom. It calls for the how to flop. Yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty good just because of the fact that I already have a good like fan base already built. So I feel like it's just no way that this website's gonna like to flop for sure. I'm definitely gonna have like the traction. Definitely gonna have people on the site. It's just me making the site and getting it done. It's the real problem now. So I don't like the duration at all. It's too fast. That's my first duration. And then inside of here they have like a small separator. Make the height like 2 pixels, the background. Look at your little line. I know the break thing makes a lot of space, so hopefully it makes the right space. Um, I think 1 pixel's gonna be fine. It's not. It's gonna be pretty thin though. I think. I can't even see that 1 pixel. But I want to be pretty small though. Dang. I think it's because this is not even color. That should fix most of the things now. Yeah, I like that line. And it's just not going all the way outside. Maybe I keep it like that, but here the line goes all the way out. I can fix that. It's not gonna be hard. So inside this div for padding 5, let's go here. Put all these. Now I have to go to the span now. Add padding 5 manually. And now this line should be across the whole space. I wish line at? So I do see the line. Like, it's just so thin. Yeah, I do see the line. Where's that little space? I don't like that little space. Inside a div, it's a column. Actually, I want to keep like this actually. I can, actually, I'm gonna do this one just so it's easy. Bottom, bottom, no, bottom by like 8 pixels. It's fine. 8 pixels should do good. How far did it go down? Did it even move? I didn't see it. Can I change the padding of this alone? It's not. Let me try to do it for one first. So padding here is we gotta do the padding bottom is 5, the padding left is 5. Padding bottom, padding left, but not the left and right. Hope it doesn't change that. Okay, it does. Okay, I keep looking the wrong one. So I can change this. I can do padding top 5 instead. So the padding top will be 5, come down, and this will cover the whole entire, oh, yeah, covers the whole entire car now. So that means inside of these, I need padding 5, padding left 5. Inside of these. Yep, that's what I want. Instead of me just going out. Perform. That's quick. Yeah, make it a little bit lighter so if you can see but you can't see it. You make all these changes, gotta go back to like this way. Is you, I gotta go. I live in Utah. I thank you. I appreciate you, my boy. I appreciate you for sticking out for real. I like the look of this number of downloads, number. I think it's a live number. That'd be pretty cool. Yo, what's up, Sir Kitty? How you feeling? How you feeling? Yeah. So now after I get all that, what could I capture again from previous receive from previous period? Sorry. I'm not saying like what? Mm-mm-mm. See if that fixes it. Nope, 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 nope. Nope. I need a sunset. Like my collection. It's gonna get things going. Should essentially okay. It's nice from before. Probably gonna come down to 15. Major jump. Make the width 15 itself. Um, yeah, I think I should just do without even looking. But I want to make sure it looks nice. I don't know how. Width of 15 is too small. 35 now. That's way too big. I can design 20. Okay, that works too. That works too. First of all, the height's way too big. Fix the height. When I fix the height, 25. The width is too freaking big. 75. Text small. Gray. Go to smaller. Then yeah, it's kind of hard to see though, but that's kind of the point. I was saying that. Ooh, I don't like that. Hold it all actually. Like a semi-bold. Yeah. Yep. So now we have that little. So it shouldn't be too big. Do a little bit faded. Make the height go a little bit. Make it green 300. I think 200 might be it, but that should be fine regardless. I can make a paragraph inside of here actually. Not even a paragraph. Maybe just a header. Or I don't really care what it is. My elements anything. And within it's gonna be a darker green. Display of up 2.4%. Last name, I'm gonna make the like 600. Let's see how we moving. This should definitely fix so that's definitely a problem. I need text go wrap. My PC just my laptop just like won't let me like navigate back and forth. I have to do it manually. That's fine though. I can make it. I would. Don't do something like that, and if I do with bits, that should actually. First of all, this needs to this can be shortened. The green needs to be light, and this green needs to be. What's nicer? Instead of me lighting the green, I'm gonna default that back first. Okay, that's fine. I like that. It doesn't look leveled a little bit, so I might just fix that. It's 2.4 div. I might just do margin bottom and just fix it down by a pixel. Then inside a div here, I can increase it by 4, push it down a little. Yeah, I like that way better. That's nice. Yeah, I like that. So I'm gonna copy this entire div and I'm just gonna paste it and do this because I honestly don't want to format. It won't even let me format. Oh, yeah, there we go. This should be all be number of forms, but the whole. Yep, that's nice. So then I can have a little graph here. I guess I can put the format for the graph, how it should look like. Simple fix. I don't know. Whoa, whoa. That was not a simple fix. I did something wrong. Oh yeah, I see what. This has the flex column actually. Sorry, not this one. I think I see what I did here. These are all flexes like this. I'll go back here. This is the second one. I need to stay within the first one. So if I need to stay within the first one, 500. It's just shrinking. Just shrink a little bit now. Should get some. They're not shrink. Oh, I know why. That's the content shrinks. I know. I understand padding now, so I understand why that didn't. So it's gonna shrink. Actually, to keep it 100%, do the background like this. I guess this div can be the. I'm gonna have three divs on this one. Couple. Whew. Coding is whew, on the tire. Gotta keep going though. So now that I actually have two divs, I can create square. I I think that's gonna be fun. I have the background. I make the. I actually just set this to white. So I just have this as background white, and then I have it it's maxed out too. So okay, I do margin 5. I want to start moving colors now. I want to keep this color, but I'm trying won't be able to see it if the purple's gone. I will still be able to see it. It's gonna be harder. Yeah. So how about I just do margin 5, margin left 5, margin top 5. So that looks. I think I should be cool for this, honestly. Yeah, 95 is perfect. Actually. Yeah, I think that's good for now. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty good for now. I mean, that's a decent amount of progress for the dashboard. It definitely could have been faster, but that's just some decent progress I'm gonna take. Yeah, I might keep like this for now. So I want to be able to track the form data, the download data, and the user data. No, the course data, the download data, and the form data. Those are the most important things I want to track. And inside of here, it can like have the data that goes here. And then on the side, I like what they have here with like product A, B, and C. Very nice. I like that a lot. Probably find a way to get this. You have charts here, like the APIs. Probably use the APIs here. Try to figure out how to get these charts with the components of the widgets. Um, I guess here, I don't want to say this could probably just stop. We could probably stop here to be honest. I think this is, yeah, I think this is a pretty good stopping point right here because I got enough of the dashboard done. But I'm probably gonna stream back again to really get more progress done because when I finish this dashboard, it's honestly gonna be like the website's almost done. All I gotta do is actually get like the actual courses made, and it's honestly a long way. I'm not gonna lie, but I feel I can get it done. So for now, this is where we're gonna stop at. I think I like the progress. Basically, got some of the dashboard done. Got this. It's got looking decent for now. I'm probably gonna finish it up later on my own time. And I'm probably gonna stream later to try to get the rest of it done. But I appreciate y'all for coming to the stream for real. Not gonna lie, it's one of the best streams I had so far. I'm glad I could interact with you guys. So I'm gonna say peace out for you. I'm gonna say peace out for now. If you guys have any questions, hit me up on my Discord. I'm just gonna say peace out. I might keep coding. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do if I'm not coding. So I might honestly just keep coding. Yeah, I might just keep coding to be honest. But I really don't want to. I'm honestly, you know what? I honestly just might keep coding. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, even if I get off. Getting to keep going. Might as well. I should work on the front end, but like I need to get it for that. It's really I'm not gonna lie, I need to work on the back. Gotta create the courses and stuff, so I kinda have no choice. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Keep it going. So I could probably pass the model through dashboard. So I pass pages, and I can probably pass a model as well. So the model I could pass. So if I go to models here, I have user models. I don't need the user data. Do I think I do need data? He said, "What is this?" So basically, this is like this is like a Roblox website that I'm making for my channel. So basically, I'm trying to help people like learn about Roblox development. So I'm gonna make my own website so people can essentially get video downloads from my website instead of my Discord channel. You can be able to learn how to code your own stuff. So I go into depth on my videos. So it's not like I show you a showcase and you get the information. You actually get a full depth guide of how everything works on the back end. You don't miss a single step, so you don't have no errors at all. So basically, if you ever like did a course like Udemy, if you ever did a course like Udemy before, I'm basically recreating my Roblox Udemy for my own channel. That's what I'm basically making. I wanna level up the Roblox game and try to help people out with my own website. So I'm not really the best web developer, but I am a decent web developer. I would like to say. So I am pretty committed to getting this done. So let's go. I hope I explained it in a great way. I have way more than this done. I'm just working on this. This is the admin dashboards. This is what I'm gonna be seeing to get to just like to check stats and stuff. So if you want to see the full entire thing, I can share a little preview. But it's pretty good so far. I wouldn't lie. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's pretty nice. So instead, I think I'm gonna get the length of the models. Let me check it out. He said, sounds cool. I wish you success. Well, I appreciate you a lot, my boy. I appreciate you for coming in. You feel me? I like to interact with you guys. I like talking to people. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get this website done. I do appreciate you for coming in again. You want to go the rest of your day? If you want to stay in, that's cool. Chat, that's cool. I'm just gonna be coding for the rest of the day, so I'm gonna be having a pretty boring day. So, but you enjoy the rest of your day, though. Of course. So, um, I think I should just pass it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So inside dashboard, I'm gonna like pass the. distance. If I was to go to not nav, but not formula. Actually, I want to pass formula too. So I can pass users, pass forms. I can form. So I think it's called form data. Yeah, form data. I hope count is the right thing. I'm not really good at Laravel or know really how much know what the stuff is. So hopefully this is the right thing. I hope I'm doing the right thing. What I could do, I want to get enrolled. If people enroll inside of courses, maybe I'll do that later. I can just get these two. Inside of database, I did create some new form here. It should be like 3. Yeah, there's 3 inside of here. There we go. I'll use my tab again. It wasn't working for some odd reason. Now we got it working. It's great. So now that inside of here, I guess what I can do for a number of forms, I can just get rid of this. I can do form. I think I did pass it right. Forms, yeah, forms. Users is the only thing I passed. So it should have hopefully. I did that. Let's do number of forms, and this is the actual number for the form. Then it's going to be forms. Yep, number of forms. And we have 3 forms inside of here. So that means the data is now actively working. That's great. I'm so glad that the data can be passed like that. I love. I'm not gonna lie. I'm low-key starting to love the Blade syntax and PHP Laravel framework because of just like how ironic that just works. Like, it's just kind of cool. So number of forms for the first one. Then I can have a number of users just to track how many users we have. So number of users now. Then I can just do. Do I have 3? Do I actually have 3 users? Okay, I actually do have 3 users. That's kind of just ironic. And I didn't create no download migration yet, which I have to come back to. I have enrolled users. Okay, I didn't know I had a database for that actually. And if I have a database for that, I don't have a model for a database. This is what I should have done at the time. Close this one. So number of form users. I can have. I'll probably just change that later. I need to figure out how to get a table, though. That's gonna be important. I probably have the course list here, but then the course is connected to the. Okay, that now makes sense. I get it. So if I go to number of, I think with the number of downloads actually, and just create a downloads migration table, but also do connect it He said, "Oh my god, I love the stream. I appreciate you, my boy. Appreciate you. What's up, Vince? How you feeling?" Not connected. Assuming okay, so like assuming that I do create another form, like if I was to open up my front end page, I just log in with I think it's tester2 at gmail.com. I literally forgot. Hopefully that is the right login credentials. So now I'm able to log in now. That means if I'm able to go to form, I'm gonna go to form. I want to make just a random form real quick. I'm gonna call it SxS scripting. I'm gonna call it double. Now, so for the people that's currently here active, if you can see here, this is basically the client side, it's the server side. So this should be running. This should be running according to our database. So if I was to like save this now, I'm gonna add loading later to actually see this work. So if I was to save this now, I should get a message with everything working. So yep, form was created. You have 3 forms. So if I go back here, it's my form request. Let's see if it was actually made. Yeah, there's also gonna be a script section. There's also gonna be a video download section, so you can basically like download videos that you want to have. I'm looking for suggestions. So if you have any suggestions that you want me like to have for my videos, let me know now, and I'll love to do that for you. I like the fact that it's taking some time to load. That means I can essentially make this way better now. So here's a double jump form. That means if I go here and I refresh the page, that means this number should go to 4 now. Or if it stays at 3, then I have to find a way. Okay, it does change. So it does change the data lively. That's perfect. So the client side does everything from the server side. That's great. That's great for now. So now let's try to actually get like something. So I can go. So if I have the forms done now, I can come back to this. I think I have forms already ready, essentially. Yep, I have forms right here. And I guess I can try to figure out like something I can like use for reference because I like using a reference. So I kind of like this, like the admin layout design. Then it like shows the user's profile here, like the name, and I can probably put a token for each ticket. That would be nice. I think a token's gonna be more reliable actually. Or I can have it something like this. Keep it simple. That means I have to loop through all the. Oh, I have to make a loop, and I don't want to make a loop. I'm not good with Laravel loops. I don't know how looping really works in Laravel. Oh, sorry, PHP, but I should still make it work regardless. I'll make it work. I'll find a way. I guess I could do something like this, man. Let me go back and see that real quick. So if I go back to, oops, I'm not going to do that. Go back. Let's go to the home page. I guess over here I can have like stuff like this. I'm not gonna have, but like I can see forms here and easily delete them to see if they're like have the date here would be pretty nice. I can have a well, I forgot it's like page something. I forgot what it was called. Everyone has somewhere. It's like page what? Uh, pagination. So the pages. I could do that as well. I guess I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna try to get this one format inside a huge div. So I'm gonna use this as my reference. So now I'm using that as my reference. Let's do it. So div, each one. So my dashboard or my default dashboard, I had this. Take this, put this out of here. I'm gonna change this to forms. I'm gonna make the. So you should make it so there's no pronouns. You should make it so there's no pronouns. Profiles in case you have it. I didn't add no pronouns for the for people's users and stuff. I didn't do all that because I feel like I mean I can do that honestly, but I can do that. I feel that when I actually get like the harder stuff done, so I can worry about that later. It's gonna be pretty easy to add that, so it's not really like a big like issue right now. So I'm like 80, not 800. That'd be good. I guess I can have something like a trash can, like I can have something like this. So maybe like div on the top. So I think inside the dashboard I put a pad. I did smart decision. I'll leave that for right now. So inside of here, I can have a little section where I can delete, I can modify what they said for their data. That'll be pretty, yeah, that's gonna be pretty nice to add and have for the backend for users. Okay, so let me think about how I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna have that, then I'm gonna have to do padding. I do. Wait, let me check. If I do padding 5 on that, it's gonna be because I'm really not gonna need all that really. This background is gray, so I can make this white. Have inner. Okay, yeah. I see what I'm doing now. So I just had to just do a little bit. So then I can make another div. I can do class flex. Just one div. Let's see what Okay, so I can be. So I need like a trash can. What's the search bar? Oh, Page Nation. Oh, 1% for trash? It's crazy. Maybe 2% good. Make the high 100. Straightforward, you feel me? See how that looks. Yeah, let's do like 60. Let's do 60 for sure, man. That's too much, man. Do 60 for sure. faster and faster. Why does make it actual? Sure, that works. Oh, it does have a little bit of bell. I just added to it. Oh, 100%. I think this one has separators. Not really separated, but like have their own little box, you know? I hope we can whip this. I wish this thing would thin inside. Oh, I like 5. I think 5 is what I want. Maybe a little bit smaller, like 4. Hopefully that doesn't. It should. I see why it's not centering. If that does change it, I'll probably just put in. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, that should fix most of the problems. Oh, that was completely wrong. I don't know. And I think this should be perfect. This should work. If not, I'm gonna make the padding or transition. I think it should definitely work. I mean, it's definitely in the center now. It's not what I want. I don't like that. So instead, I'm probably gonna change the padding bottom two to 5 to push it up a little bit because it's too far. I think I know why it's pushing down because the padding top is 5, so it's forcing it. So if I just level it out or just remove them in general, then I think it's gonna work actually. Let's just check though after this Laravel application. That's the one downside of using Laravel. It's just incredibly slow in my opinion. Okay, there we go. Probably working a nav bar a little bit later today. I'm probably gonna end the stream soon. I have to do something, unfortunately. But I think this was a pretty good stream. I don't even know how long I was streaming for, really. Um, I think I was streaming since 4 for like 2 hours. So maybe I just increased the height a little bit for this thing. So which one has the color blue inside of it? It's definitely this thing. Here it is. Maybe 35. That's it for me. I actually keep this up. I'm gonna increase the gap of these to like 2. Increase the gap to 4. Maybe I'm gonna add I can probably have like a little file thing. I'm probably gonna stream add a file. More like a folder. It's a folder. I don't even know why I said file. It's a folder. install this. Maybe that's a nice color to have. No, no, no. I might just remove the background. And I might increase the size. No, I think the size is perfect for these. See, is it done installing? It is done installing. It's installing faster. Let's go. Increase the gap to 6. That slate background, just get rid of it. Just keep the white background. Nice. Then let me just get that blue. I can already get the blue. I think yeah, that's definitely the same blue. It's taking a while to load, is it? Yeah, I'm about to say that take a long time. Also add a plus sign too. Not frozen. Oh, and if I do fit, can I like add a margin or padding to push the width farther? if I do it. Now that I'm seeing it, I also see that the blue thing is kind of too up top, so I'm probably oh, I guess not. Oh, that was the wrong one anyway. Come on, what's the hold up, man? It's taking a while for this to load. This is 20. Instead of me doing fit, I'm just gonna do. This is 4, 8, 12, 16. That's 16 for the entire thing. So I'll make the width 20%. And that should make it like more rounded for the icon. I hate working on like the small stuff like this, but I feel like this is so important that I just have to work on it right now. So never mind. Just keep it that way for now. I want to make at least one of these two. This is what's gonna be. This is what's gonna be mapping throughout the whole entire form movie. So if I'm correct, if I go back to layer though. This is how they loop the data. Oh, let me not do this because I have users as something. Oh, this is. Oh, this is. Oh, this is so wrong. This is not working. I know this is not going to work because I passed users in form. Actually, this might work. I don't pass anything in forms but pages. But if I get an error, I'm gonna be glad I get an error because I know how to fix it. Yep. Perfect. Undefined variable. So that means inside of here, inside of forms, I can just pass form. I can just pass forms as form data all. So inside of the forms, I can do form rep forms, not form. my name, author. So if I do form, I can do form. Maybe if I just close down one of the servers, hopefully that makes it a little bit faster. So it does do the form data correctly. So forms, and I did form as the username. So I'm gonna do request name, because that's where I'm gonna get it. So it does need to be data perfect. So now that we have the data being fine, all I gotta do is set it up. So when this div inside this div inside. Oh, that's not. So flex column. Oh, actually, I can make this work. It's just going so slow. I just don't really want to. I know what I want. I know what I want to do here, and I know how to make it work. I just gotta figure out how to make it. Oh, this is an easy fix. This is a column. I got this put here. That it takes so long for the load. It's just a bummer. Okay, so it definitely is working. Now I gotta keep layout format for this. Okay. Let's get a format done, I guess. Uh, so I guess this is how I'm gonna do it. Is I want to copy it like this one. So just already looking at it, I know exactly what I need to do. I need to have a flex and a flex column. And within this flex column, I need to have yeah, I need to have a flex and a flex column. Actually, no, I don't. I just need to create the width and the height. So the width is going to be 100%. The height is going to be 100%. Then I'm going to have that, and then I can have padding. Just have everything padding 5. Now, actually, I'm not going to have nothing padding 5. So then I can have like I need to have a sneak a star. First of all. So I'm gonna have a flex that has 1, 2, 3. Once it's done downloading, I can actually do a star. What else do I need? I need a star. That's all I need. All I need is a star. Now I can make this little box here. It's a checkbox. I know Blade has a built-in checkbox, so I don't need to make this even harder for me. I already got it already. So first, make a simple div that's gonna first inside of this for each loop. I want to create a simple div. Trying to think. Okay, so for each form, okay, then we're gonna have div inside the form. Let's see how that looks. Hopefully that fixes what I want. I like the fact it takes too long to load. It makes me want to do it in a different language for now, like React, and then come back and then just paste the code, just so I don't waste time waiting for the code. Wow, this is really taking its time. Maybe I should close some servers here. Terminate that server. So it does create the testing. So within the testing, I want to make a margin bottom. Yeah, I'll make a margin bottom one. Actually, no, I want to keep them connected. Yeah, you all have to be connected. So I'll just make the border two, not the border black, not even black, but not time for the, you know. This update's so slow. It's just so hard to work with. So that's how to start. I have to concatenate this to be what is the form did it have? Does it have like right? forever. What is my I think I might stop it here honestly because it sounds smooth pretty slow. I think I'll restart on my laptop might make it better. To keep it running smooth and safe. Yeah, I'm never gonna stop here for now. You're just moving a little bit too slow for me to just keep working on development right now. So I'm just gonna see how these changes look like, and then after that, I'm just gonna. It's probably the rest of the development for tomorrow or later today, depending on how today looks like. So, testing needs to change. That is, you cannot see that at all. Literally the same. Job. Last change before I hop here. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. If anybody's still here, honestly, this was a pretty good stream. I kind of enjoyed it. This is one of my favorites so far. So, yeah. Hope you guys really enjoyed. I'm about to start the stream now.